Have you ever wondered how pearls are created? It all starts with thousands of oysters. The oysters are carefully placed in baskets where they begin to grow pearls inside. Inside, they slowly start to form pearls, one layer at a time, using natural material. In 2 to 3 years, these oysters have fully developed beautiful pearls. These pearls are ready for harvesting, but first, we carefully inspect each one. Oysters thrive in large tanks filled with clean, mineral-rich water to promote growth. Each oyster is closely monitored by specialized workers to ensure the best growth conditions. The oysters are fed special nutrients to support their growth and ensure high-quality pearls. Year after year, thousands of oysters are monitored to ensure they are forming pearls properly. Creating a perfect pearl takes time and patience, but it's all worth it in the end. Once the oysters are mature, they are carefully opened to check for the pearls inside. Each oyster forms a unique pearl, and no two pearls are exactly alike. The oysters are checked in groups to ensure they are ready for the next step in the process. Pearl harvesting is delicate work. It requires great care to avoid damaging the pearls. Each pearl is cleaned gently to remove any residue or debris from the oyster. Pearls are sorted by size, shape, and color, with only the best being selected. Smaller pearls are used for fine jewelry, while larger pearls are kept for luxury designs. Extracting pearls is a delicate process that requires great care and precision. Pearls come in many colors, the most prized being white, black, and golden pearls. After extraction, the pearls are placed in special solutions to preserve their quality. Pearls are stored in temperature-controlled environments to maintain their natural shine. Once treated, the pearls are ready for polishing and setting into jewelry. Polishing the pearls makes them shine and enhances their beauty. The polishing process enhances the luster of the pearl, bringing out its natural beauty. Even the smallest imperfection can affect the value of the pearl. Only the finest pearls are selected for the most luxurious jewelry. Now, pearls are transformed into breathtaking jewelry. Pearls are used in rings, necklaces, earrings, and bracelets. Every piece of jewelry is carefully crafted to highlight the beauty of the pearl. Once finished, the jewelry is polished to make the pearl sparkle even more. The jewelry is then packaged carefully, ready for shipment to buyers. From the oceans to luxury boutiques, pearls are a symbol of elegance. Each pearl is a product of nature, carefully nurtured into something precious. Thank you for following the journey of the pearl, from the farm to the jewelry box. The pearl story is a testament to nature's beauty and human craftsmanship. Experience the elegance of pearls, nature's finest treasure.